Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Well, Sunday. Welcome to episode 262. Wow, we're knocking them down. 3 left. Anyway, you guys saw yesterday I got the Jeep going. That project's out of the way. So, you know what project's next? Other than some painting that Mama's going to have me do, Old Red. Red is coming up next. There she is. That will be my next project. So, funny thing is, like, anytime I work on something or I start focusing on working on something, I'm like taking it apart and putting it back together in my mind. So that's what I was doing on my bicycle ride this morning. I was taking it apart and putting it back together. I know, I'm weird. Just, it's a mental thing. Anyway, but I would imagine maybe next weekend I'll get started on that. I mean, if I had a full weekend to just work on it nonstop, I'd probably have it done. But next weekend is the first RC race that I'm going to race in, so I'm gonna at least practice Saturday, and then Sunday I'm going to run. So I will not get it all done next weekend for sure. Anywho, that's it. Sun's out. It's still a little cool this morning, 61 I think. I know all you northerners are like anyway, it's time for some coffee and then figure out what we're going to do today. All right, so I didn't show this last night, but the T-Max is all back together, all fixed, all ready for some more bashing. But I'm going out with the buggy today to the track. So I'll probably go give this a shakedown out in front of the house just to make sure that everything's functioning properly, and then put it up and get ready to take the buggy out over here. Anywho, that is mission accomplished. Yesterday was a very good day. I got lots of shit accomplished. Let's see if I can get that done today. Well, that didn't take long. More carnage. So what's left of one of my frame rails here. So you can see this. This one broke this morning. All this old stuff's gonna have to get replaced, but I'm having fun breaking it anyway. So I gotta get those parts. I don't have those parts in stock, but when I go to the track later to the hobby shop, I'll pick those parts up and we'll be bashing again before you know it. Alright, I made it back out to the track again today. It's kind of sunny, kind of cloudy, not raining though. Got a couple other people here. I haven't seen them on the track yet. I'm hoping I can watch somebody that's better than me do this, so hopefully they'll be on the track soon. But I just got my first like 8 minutes in, and everything's pretty good. So we'll just keep practicing away. Practice makes perfect, right? Nice move. So while I'm taking a break here at the hobby store, I'm in the back room, and they have a room full of models. Now, I don't know about you, but I remember back when I was a kid, Walmart had a whole row of models. I haven't looked in a long time. I don't know if they still do or not, but it was something I really liked to do. I would have glue everywhere, but I liked putting these models together. And some people put them together and collect them. I have made an oath to myself that I will not collect anything that I cannot use. So the models are cool, but they're just going to sit there. I talked about collecting knives, right? I mean, I can't take them all with me. What do you really use them for? I mean, I know you cut stuff with them, right? But like, there's nothing to take them out and do with them unless you throw knives or something like that. So that's where the whole RC thing came from, because I can build cool vehicles and I can actually take them out and drive them. So that's my theory behind that. Anyway, like I said, I'm on a break, so I thought I'd come in and check out the rest of the store. They have all kinds of planes. Anything you want, they got it.
One time my dad was driving a motorcycle and we flew in the air and we shoot him at. And I think we flew in a shoot. He's so hot.
All right, back to the track. I do feel like I'm improving like every time I go to the track. I'll go back again tomorrow, then through the week, nothing. Then maybe next Saturday, but I know next Sunday is the race, so I'll try to get some more time in between now and then, just, you know, to get a better feel for it. But, you know, today I had a couple kids there that were running, and so I was, of course, dodging their trucks and they were dodging my car, and having more vehicles on the track adds a whole nother element. So even though I feel like I'm getting better and better on the track by myself, throw in 5 other vehicles and that adds a whole nother aspect to it. But anyway, my poor wing is trashed. It's shot, but fortunately I have a new one right here. So I'll get it painted up. See if I can paint it right this time. I don't know. That's kind of interesting, the way that paint turned out. I almost like it. So I don't know. I may just go right back and do that again because it's different and unique and I like it. And this paint job gets a ton of compliments. So I'm pretty stoked that I actually painted something that people like, because I'm not the artistic type. So that's like a miracle. Anyway, I'm gonna take the buggy out, clean it up real good, make sure all my settings are good, repaint me a wing, and get ready to go tomorrow. Get all my batteries charged up, you know, all that fun stuff. Anyway, here we go. All right, that's a wrap. Mama Badger's home. We're gonna chill, watch some TV. I got the buggy all ready to go again. I just left this clear. Especially if they're going to break. Why would I paint it? So we're going to leave that clear. I put the front one on. I've never ran with the front one on. We're going to give that a try. I did some neatening up of my wires, just kind of wire tied them out of the way. Now I'm starting to tweak it and make it mine. So I went and adjusted the ride height a little bit tonight, and now I'll start playing with tune-up and suspension and all that fun stuff. So I got all my batteries charged. I'm ready to go back and practice again tomorrow. Get all this practicing done, and we'll see what we can do for racing next week. What's up, Mama?
You tell me I've been watching Sons.
I have not told them that.
You've been binge watching.
Yeah, we've been binge watching Sons of Anarchy. I know, it's not real. TV's not meant to be real.
Oh, no, most of the people.
Iron Man's not real either, but I still like it. Fast and Furious, not real. I can't name anything that I really like watching that's real, so it's not real. I know that. It's still fun to watch. Anyway, so we're binge watching that of an evening. A lot of times I'm sitting over here at my layout.
I want to know who else has watched it.
Working on toys. Mama Badger wants to know who has watched Sons of Anarchy. We've watched it probably 3 times from end to end.
3 times?
I'd say.
Oh.
You think more? Maybe more. I don't know. Anyway.
No more than 3.
No more than 3. Anyway, that's a wrap. The end. What a great Saturday. Mama had a great Saturday. She was helping Nerdy Badger. I got to do all my stuff. The Jeep ran fantastic, so that's good news. And yeah, tomorrow we get to do it all over again. More racing. I don't know how you beat that. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow.